Hey guys, Andrew with Fat Ass Glass. This video is to show you our hand-picked level 2 $50 dry herb mystery box, what it is made up of. So let's hop right into it. You can use code WINTER right now, get another 10% off. This would be $45. So first thing first, we hit you with the sweet water pipe. Right here we got a Monster Glass sandblasted beaker bong. This is standing at about 14 inches. These are $100 alone on the website. Again, this box would be $45 with the discount. So already you're in the money. Next, typical things you're gonna see: rolling trays, ashtrays, papers, pipe cleaners, hemp wick, glass pads, things like that. We just got a pallet of 500 pounds worth of raw merchandise in. Shout out to Ross. So right now we're hooking up boxes with a lot of raw goodies. Love them, good quality products. And yeah, so that's typically what our level 2 $50 mystery box consists of. For dry herb, we have the option for customization. Say you like the color pink, you can suggest that. This is all just based off the inventory we have in stock. They're constantly changing. We keep track of the orders based off your name. So if you order 3 boxes, each one's going to be different. They range from $24.99 to $500. We have interest-free payment plans available. So this is typically what it consists of. If you get something like a high-quality $25 spoon pipe, it would typically not also have a $25 ashtray, things like that. But let us know what you think. Cheers, guys.